2019 Ford Fusion air filter replacement. So basically when you have your hood up, your air filter is right here under this panel. You want to take these screws out. You could use either 8mm socket or a small Torx socket. I'm going to be using a small Torx socket. I think it's a T15 or a T20. I'm sorry, I forgot to look, but it just comes out right here. These screws will come all the way out. I recommend just pull them all out and then put them to the side somewhere safe. Try not to drop them down the back of the engine, especially this one in the back. It likes to fall off and go to the back of the engine. You could probably find it on the skid plate. Okay, so once those are out, we're going to remove this lid and then pull this. You can just find a spot right here is good, and you could just pull this out right here. Here's my new one. This is from the dealer. My part number is FA-1911. Fresh new filter. I'm going to go ahead and put it in over here. Any junk or debris in here you could pull out. So when you get this in, you want to kind of just gently push in the molding into place. That way it doesn't pop up the panel at all. So once that's in, we're just going to put this panel back on, and then very carefully just put the screws in and then make sure they're lined up correctly to their hole, and then just tighten them down. I kind of go around once a little bit, and then once they're all down, I'll go around again and tighten them down. Just make sure no sides popping up more than the other. But that's it guys. Hopefully this video helped you out. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. I also have a cap and filter video for a Ford Fusion, so check that out too. Thanks for watching.